When will the world eat us out? Here it is, embrace your freedom. Honestly, you have been asking. The bribery that lost the angel, lost a friend to sing la da la da la da la da la da. Is this real? This is sudden. Or is this the victory? Oh, you tell me. Here it is, embrace your freedom. Honestly, you have been asking. Trust the ghosts we have within us. They also have two sides. An old they knew, an old they knew, an old that they knew. Ancient like the helicopter. I saw in you, saw in you, saw in you, saw within you. The bee that binds our shining harvest. It rose, it rose, it rose in our teeth, rose in our teeth, rose in our teeth, rose in our teeth. Now the call goes in my head. Am I healthy? Little Arotel, little Arotel, little Arotel. Embrace your freedom, here it is, embrace your freedom, here it is, embrace your, here it is, embrace your, here it is, embrace your freedom, here it is, embrace your freedom, here it is, embrace your, here it is, embrace your, here it is, embrace your freedom, here it is, embrace your freedom, here it is, embrace your, here it is, embrace your, here it is, embrace your freedom, here it is, embrace your freedom, here it is, embrace your, here it is.
Mianto in return. Cheers.
So it's very nice to see everybody. Could we activate guitar, please, sir? It's a lovely day out there. I'm going to play an old song called Built. I haven't played in a while, apart from last night. Is that working? You can hear it? Oh, okay. Can I have some in the wedge for me, please?
Time to pay your bills. It's time to pay your bills. It's time to pay your bills. I heard you sing. I heard you warbling. I heard you scream at the sky. Oh, Bill, oh, Bill, oh, why? Oh, the world so wise, it lay here to hold first our eyes. Don't be afraid, time coming and swamp the streets that you dug. It's time to pay your bills. It's time to pay your bills. It's time to pay your bills. I heard you sing. I heard you warbling. I heard you scream at the sky. Oh, Bill, oh, why?
Thank you very much. Okay, what's next?
Lead us now, the truth's out. You and me been shaking forward. Lead us now, and we will see those heavens open toward us. Once again. And I saw your face deep in those hearts you made. Please don't Row the wailing, come afloat is from this town. Come afloat is from this cloud, is saturated. We had a skinful, lay me down when they say, well, if that's how you relax, then I want it, I want it. We were grown-up garments and raised the roof from the wall. But our taste is violence, and I don't know what to do. So I learned how to say it out loud. Where do we live? We live on this island, surrounded by the big old blue. We run in our circle until we find a new. But the road is crowded, 800 pilgrims all heading south. They got first in their heads, they got first in their mouths. Hey, we're smiling every time we hear the truth. We wear blood garments and raise the roof from the wall. Our taste is violence, and I don't know what to do. So I learn how to say it out loud, out loud, out loud.
Thank you.
Change my car, you down. Just a little bit.
Next song we're going to play is about family. It's kind of a slower one. It's called Spider. Actually, I might take a little more ukulele in my monitor, if that's all right, please, sir. Thank you.
Worries take you to the grave. Worries haunt, they hold you in the day. The ghosts of your making unknown. twisted and you destroying your mental structure. Stuck in the spider's pose, 8 eyes in all direction. Wishing to cut the rope, but dare not release our protection. The ghosts of our making up. The ghosts of our making. The ghosts of our making. The ghosts of Thank you very much. Thought that one would fit the Warhorse show, which I'd like to see. Have you seen it, Kelly? You normally go to see them all. I'd like to see it. The film was good. So what's next here, Kelly? Okay. We're going to play Your Catch Is Silver next. It's hard to know who and it's hard to know how. Who can you love when all of the world is so sweet and sour? We will never give up. Don't be afraid, you aren't such a fool after all. The release is coming and this town is way too tall. He'll know the band's gone, spread out, we catch you soon. He'll know, for all you know, men are wrong, you got to let them go. And hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on. so small, but proudly put together. So small, so small, but proudly put together. Fake your death, for it's quite rude, so the waves in me are wet. Like the sea, the very torrent, them words from my spine. Lead us now, the sail is ready, the wind is right, you're around. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, it's probably put together. Hold on, hold on, hold on, it's probably put together. Thank you very much. Okay, we're going to play two more songs into one, and then we're going to finish. Try and get out into the sunshine a little bit. But it's been lovely to be here. I hope those who are going to see the Warhorse enjoy it. The Warhorse, yeah? We have been Little Arrow, and yeah, it's been nice to be here. Holding and knowing the great graves keep growing. We've all been heartbroken sometime. Way in my future, I'll take you swimming. Just me and my kin, someday dawn. There's a hand on my shoulder, raising the dead. I'm such a coward, I look somewhere else instead. World is a worship, the fragrance is frozen, the builders are broken. Went out in the valley to see what I could see. Ate a lot of fishes, lots of fishes from the sea. Ate a lot of scales, and I scaled you and me. Well, leaving me's no problem, that's just a way to go. Take with you my earrings so that you will know that we were together once and now we are alone. That we were together once and now we are alone. Well, here we write great poetry, we write a lot, we do. Here we write great poverty, some people live it too. But learning's not the problem, that's what with it we do. Learning's not the problem, that's what with it we do. When will the river, my friend, reach into the sea? Winding and snaking its way along to me. When will the river reach into the sea? Winding and snaking its way along to me. I knew a man, he would not leave his house without a piece of paper signed and a harpoon in his mouth. Every time he traveled, he ended up way down south. Every time he traveled, the borders as he knew. I wish I was a bullet from the sun. Leave fast behind me the past that I've begun. Wish I was a bullet from the sun. Leave fast behind me the past that I've begun. When the bums invented whiskey, they were very shocked. Not that it burned them out or warmed their insides up, or that it gave the trouble in a wiggly